A hymn to the divinity. You stand above all things that are. What other way could we rightly begin to sing of you? How can words chant your praise when no word can ever speak of you? How can the mind consider you when no thought can ever grasp you? You alone are unutterable. From the time you created all things that can be spoken of, you alone are unknowable. From the time you created all things that can be known, all things cry out about you, those which speak and those which cannot think. For there is one longing, one yearning that all things have for you. All things pray to you that comprehend your plan and offer you a silent hymn. In you, the one, all things abide, and to you all things endlessly converge, who are the end and goal of all. You are one and all, and none of this. You who bear all names, how shall I ever name you? You who can never be named. What heavenly mind can ever penetrate those veils above the clouds? Be merciful, you who stand above all things. What other way can we rightly sing of you? St Gregory of Nazianzen.